Holy crap, guys. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Holy crap. Holy shit. Damn, all that stuff comes in this little box. No freaking way. Holy shit. Alright, let's see what's in the box.
Open this shit up. Not even live, right? GoPro 8. Black? Yeah, zero black. Holy shit.
Alright, so nothing else in the box. Wow. Dude, I'm so excited, bro. Whew. Holy crap. So the camera's there. Let's see what's in here first. And 32 gig micro SD adapter. Oh, okay, cool. Cool. And then you got your Get Start. Oh, stickers, dude. It's not cool if you ain't got stickers. All right, let's put that back in the bag. Put this in there. Close that up. This is such a cool little bag. All right, the camera itself. Holy crap. Let me put this. Okay, so. Oh, wow. The stick. Holy crap. Nice foam deal. Not bad. A little vlogging stick. The camera. Oh shit. Power and mode button. The screen display. Power? I guess it's capture or start recording, yep. And the built-in little mount there. Wow, cool. Wow. Badass. Got this thing. I don't know what that's for. We got 2 batteries.
Oh, those are cute.
Yeah, little cute little batteries. 2 of them. And then we have our adhesive mount, a helmet mount. Pretty cool. Probably gonna put this on my helmet and drive around town like an idiot with a helmet on. We have our charging cable.
USB-C.
Yep. The what is this? Oh yeah, to tighten it up onto your mount. And that's to tighten it through like that. Damn, that's so cool. We'll go on there. Sweet. Alright, so there you have it, guys. The GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. I'm excited, man. Yeah, let's see how it looks. Next clip.
Hi, Mama. He's so beautiful. Hi. Go back to sleep, Mama. Go back to sleep.
Okay. So, this is my favorite part. Picking up my little man. We're gonna record him. Hopefully he's in a good mood and we don't catch him off guard. But either way, we're getting his reaction. Here we go. People! Say hi! Come on, let's go!
We'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you. Look at him go, he's so happy. Hey, how was your day? Where are you going? He's ready. Dad, get me out. I don't know which way I'm going, but I'm going. What are you doing? Oh! Ah, get up, it's hot. You okay? Come on. How was your day? Was it cool? You ready to see Mommy?
Mommy?
Yeah.
Guys.
Gosh, yeah. Here, let me get the door for you. Watch out. Whoa. I don't think so. Oh, get it. Get it. So we got him in. High five. Found it. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.